What might this device be, you ask? Why, it is the Kadomaru Pro corner puncher. Kind of works like a hole puncher. So you've got this ending here that can be peeled off, and that's where all your bits and scraps of paper go. And what you do is let me put this back on, you put your paper into the slot here, the corner of the paper into either here for the large rounded corner, here for the medium size, and then here for the small. So this is more like a square and this is more rounded. And then it basically, you punch down on the end here and it makes a nice little curve. So I've got a very thick piece of cardboard here. Well, I guess it's a standard size. So I haven't tried this yet. I just want to check if it actually works for thick pieces of paper. Well, it fits in the slot. Wow, pretty easy peasy. Gave me a nice corner. It's not as good as it would be, I think, for a regular piece of paper. Let's just do that again and see if it's cleaner. Yes, a little bit cleaner there. Okay, let's try the medium size on this corner. All right, it is thick. I'm having difficulty getting it in. There we go. Oh, but it works. And the last one is very small. A little bit. I think this would work better on regular paper, however. All right, this is a thin piece of paper here, so let's try it with a small one. Oh yeah, very nice edges here. Let's try the medium. Okay, nice round. This is very clean edges. Wow, much better. And then finally the rounded edge here, the wider one. So this slides in a bit longer, a bit more. And there we go, a nice rounded edge. Now I didn't put this in precisely, so if I put it in a bit more, it'll probably get a better cut. And it did. Okay. And as you can see here, the paper bits have fallen to the bottom. It'll take a while to fill all these out though. For now, I'll put it back in. Okay, so depending on your needs, this will definitely come in handy. For me, I used to have just one of these and they were very small, but it only gave me one size option. I love that this has 3. It is a little bit bigger, but it is a lot sturdier and therefore I think it'll last a lot longer too. And easier to not misplace, which I tend to do in my household. So there you go. Recommend.